In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix character AI temporarily locked. Let's get started. First, stop refreshing the page or repeatedly attempting to log in. Character AI may temporarily restrict access if it detects excessive requests from your account or device. In many cases, simply waiting 10 to 30 minutes allows the restriction to expire automatically. Next, close the app or browser completely and reopen it. Then sign out of your account and sign back in. This refreshes your session and may clear temporary authentication issues that trigger the warning. If you're using a VPN, proxy service, or privacy-focused browser extension, disable it and try again. Character AI security system may flag connections that frequently change locations or appear suspicious. Switching to a normal network connection often resolves the issue. Next, check for app update. Navigate to App Store, Play Store, search for the app Character AI. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. In case you are using in the browser, clear the cache and cookies. Corrupted session data can sometimes cause repeated logouts even after the temporary restriction has expired. If the message continues to appear across multiple devices and networks, your account may require additional verification. Check your email inbox for messages from Character AI regarding security reviews, account verification, or policy notifications. Finally, if you have waited several hours and still cannot access your account, contact Character AI support with details about the error message, your device, and when the issue started. They can determine whether the restriction is temporary, security related, or connected to your account status. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.